Hi teachers and Sir Paulo Blando. My name is Christine A. Sino. I am 26-year-old, single, and happily serving in public school. Currently, my work is in DepEd Matatag as MAPE teacher, and I am also handling grade 9 students and also coaching baseball and softball team in LGU Pasig. Starting my career in leadership position is quite intimidating and overwhelming. As with any other position, merong mga trial and error na may experience mo. I wish I had to know the value of being and building a strong relationship with my leadership team and being more engaged in my career progression. Isa rin sa natutunan ko when I became a leader, I made sure that everyone on my team knew that I was there for them, especially in their career. Yes, of course, because being a leader, a successful leader rather, give me fulfillment in life. Ang school leaders, malawak ang kinabibilangan niyan. So, meron silang head teacher, deputy heads, department heads, and school administration. Ang school leaders have integral part of education. Malaki ang kanilang responsibilidad. Especially, the work defines the school vision and mission, which in turn impart also with the students' achievements. Ang corporate leadership naman ay naka-align sa mga kumpanya. Sila yung nagmamanage on how to have the strategy, ensuring its sustainable growth and profitability. Maraming role ang corporate leaders. It requires a combination of skills, trait, deep understanding sa organizations nila. Kailangan kilala nila yung tao and yung industriya.